Once there was a curious little girl named Lily. She found a small, rusty robot in her backyard. The robot's name was Robit, and he was very quiet. Lily decided to clean Robit and fix his dents. Robit sparkled after a good cleaning and smiled brightly. Robit and Lily became the best of friends, exploring together. They discovered hidden trails and secret paths in the woods. Robit could play cheerful tunes, and Lily loved to dance. One day, they found an old, mysterious map in the attic. The map led to a forgotten garden, overgrown with flowers. Robit helped clear the vines with his gentle metal hands. In the center, they found a fountain with sparkling water. Lily wished for more adventures with her friend Robit. The fountain glowed, and Robit danced in delight. They knew more adventures awaited just around the corner. Together, they wandered off with dreams in their hearts.